What actually, man? What do you call orange in Igbo language?
Oroma.
What do you call cucumber?
Egusi mmiri maọbụ elili mmiri.
What do you call watermelon?
Anyụ mmiri.
What do you call avocado pear?
Ube bekee.
What about pepper fruit?
Mmịmị.
What do you call tomato in Igbo language?
Otuboala.
What do you call potatoes in Igbo language?
Ji nwannu.
What do you call mango in Igbo language?
Ugiri ụtọ.
What of pineapple?
Nkwaba.
Coconut.
Akị bekee.
Watermelon.
Anyụ mmiri.
Alligator pepper.
Ose ọjị.
What do you call banana in Igbo language?
Banana. Banana.